I'm Ligia Parisi, and I work for Bryson Intercultural on behalf, as well as a general manager for the Vulnerable Syrian Refugee Consortium. One of the issues that the Syrian families are facing when they come here to Northern Ireland is being able to cross the border to the south of Ireland, for example. They don't have permission to go to the south. However, they could apply for a certificate of travel, which can be very expensive for them. However, they are refugees. They are not actually technically refugees as such, because they are under the humanitarian protection, and humanitarian protection will not entitle the refugees to apply for the UN Convention travel document, which is normally a more affordable option whenever they want to go to the south, for example. So what we would like to see is this arrangement between north and south revisited, and for those families to be able to have a permission to go to the south if they wish, without actually that being a criminal offense.
You will have just heard from Ligia about some of the difficulties experienced by the new Syrian refugees in respect of travelling and their travel documents. In fact, travel has been a concern for all refugees wishing to move within the island of Ireland. The problem is that refugee status, whether issued by the United Kingdom for those in the north, by the Republic of Ireland for those in the south, is not recognised by the other jurisdiction. So that means that a refugee can't easily travel south or north. The practical realities of that is, let's say children wanting to take part in a sport competition might not be able to do so, or those wanting to go on school trips or visit family members. If they want to hop on the bus and go to Dublin, they must first apply for a travel document and then apply for a visa. Both of those applications are expensive and both require months. All for perhaps spending, a couple of hours across the border in Letterkenny, for example. So what is the solution? We are asking Westminster's assistance to encourage the British and Irish authorities to agree to mutually recognise refugee status, to afford refugees permission to travel as visitors within the other jurisdiction. That solution would assist all refugees, and we think it would be very welcome.